Welcome guys, so in this video, if you want to go home on this device, there's few options. The first one, just take a look on the controller. We got the B, A, we got stick, and under the stick there is the button. It is not showing my finger that comes on it, but when you press on this once, you will be able to display this panel. So that's basically what is called home in this device. When you are in any game, let me just make it right now. Let's open, for example, this one. And if you want to go for the home, you want to quit this game, just click on this button that I show you. It's the same for the right and the left. Here it is. So you can just quit the game, and here we are. That's it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.